Hello everyone. In last class we learned about the resonance in LCR series circuit. Okay. In this class we learned the voltage amplification in series resonant circuit. See, we already learned about the series resonant circuit in AC circuits. Okay. What is the resonance, how it occurs, and what are the conditions of resonance. Okay. At resonance, the potential difference across the inductance and the condenser are equal and opposite. They are cancel each other. Therefore, the circuit becomes purely resistive. Okay. The capacitive reactance and the inductive reactance becomes equal, and we get the potential difference across the inductance and condenser are equal and opposite. Hence, they get cancel each other. Therefore, the circuit becomes purely resistive, and the function of the applied EMF is to only overcome the opposition due to the resistance. Okay. If the inductance connected in series in the circuit is of large reactance, the potential difference across it increases to a very high value. See, if the inductance connected in series in the circuit is of the large reactance, the potential difference across it increases to a very high value. This is known as the voltage amplification. What is the voltage amplification? If the inductance connected in series in the circuit is of a large reactance. See, there is a inductor, okay, which are connected in series in the circuit is of large the reactance is very large. Okay, the inductor connected in a series in the circuit is of a large reactance. The value of the potential difference reactance, the potential difference across it increases to a very high value. If the inductance connected in series in the circuit is of large reactance, the potential difference across it increases to a very high value. This is known as the voltage amplification. Here voltage has the very high value. Okay, the voltage will be increases. Hence we get the voltage amplification. The formula of voltage amplification is the potential difference across the inductance upon applied EMF. See here, voltage amplification is equal to the potential difference across the inductance divided by applied EMF. Okay, that is equal to, here we have the formula omega L into I naught upon R into I naught, that is equal to omega naught into L into I naught upon root 2 divided by R into I naught upon root 2, that is equal to omega naught I naught upon 2. See, I naught upon under the square root of root 2, it is the value of RMS current. Okay, RMS. Hence, putting this value we get omega naught L into RMS upon R into RMS, that is equal to omega naught L upon R. Since we get here omega is equal to omega naught. Okay. Since the L is large, omega L is very greater than R. Hence, the voltage amplification is high. This is the condition for voltage amplification. Okay. Since the inductance is large, the value of omega L is very greater than the resistance. Hence, we get the voltage amplification is very high. Understood? For a high frequencies, omega L can be designed to magnify the voltage to the desired value. Okay. If the frequency of the applied EMF is varied, then a series LCR circuit its supply will give a maximum response, that is it pass the maximum current and will have a maximum potential difference across the inductance at a particular frequency called a resonant frequency. See, if the frequency of a applied EMF is varied, then a series LCR circuit, the supply will give a maximum response, that is it passes maximum current and will have a maximum potential difference across the inductance at a particular frequency. That frequency is known as the resonant frequency. Okay, hence the voltage magnification is maximum at the resonant frequency. See, at resonant frequency the voltage magnification is maximum. This procedure is used to tune a radio or television receiving set to a desired station sending signal at a particular frequency. The circuit is therefore known as the acceptor circuit. See, the resonant frequency is used in the tune a radio or a television receiving set to a desired station sending signal at a particular frequency. The circuit is therefore known as the acceptor circuit. These are used in a radio television signals in a acceptor circuit to receive the signals. Resonance frequency is used. Okay, this is regarding the voltage amplification in series resonant circuit. What is the voltage amplification? The voltage amplification, if the inductance connected in a series in the circuit is of large reactance, the potential difference across it increases to a very high value. In that the potential difference has the maximum value, hence we get the voltage amplification. Okay, if the frequency of the applied EMF is varied in the series LCR circuit, the supply will give a maximum response and hence we get the maximum current and will have a maximum potential difference. Okay, that particular frequency is known as the resonant frequency. Okay, hence we get a voltage magnification maximum at only the resonant frequency. This procedure is used in tune a radio or television receiving set. Okay, thank you.